All right, everybody, we're hoping to do a little bit of an update today. We've had a lot of different things going on, been keeping ourselves plenty busy. I guess you all know how life goes, but just kind of wanted to talk for a second about what we have going on. Obviously, we dropped a video on that Yukon that we had. We are in the process of getting everything finished on that. We've got all our parts ordered, our wheels and tires, things like that. We've got the windows tinted. It's getting close. We're about ready to get those things installed and look forward to sharing that with you as we do. Also, I had sold my 2022 Duramax. You saw that in probably our last video, I was to guess. We haven't posted in a while. So anyways, I have finally found a replacement truck I've looked for a little while, and I'm just going to take advantage of the time now to be able to show you to it, because I'm actually anxious to get started on working on it. It's already fairly extensive already in what is done to it. So we're going to do a walk around of this truck and give you an idea. So if you think you might know what it is, drop it in the comments now. If you got an idea of what you think I went with, what brand, maybe what kind of build you think I will attempt to do, or what I got. So if you want to do that now, you better pause the video and do it, because I'm about to reveal this truck. So here goes. We're going to do a walkthrough of the truck that I just picked up before I get started tearing into it, so you can see it the way I got it, and then the things that we do to it in the future. Well, here it is. I don't know if this is what you anticipated me getting. I don't know if this is what I anticipated myself getting. But what we... Duramax Denali with a 12-inch FTS lift on it with 26 by 16s on... I haven't pulled an actual measurement on these. They are 395, 45, 26s. So I'm assuming 40s-ish is what they're going to measure. I will measure them later. But beyond that, other than some color matching, nice little bullet antenna up there, that's about what this truck has done to it, which is, I mean, still obviously pretty extensive. It's a pretty crazy lift. My original plan was to buy a truck stock and build with one of these 12-inch lifts or a 9-inch FTS, or I wasn't really brand specific. I would have tried the Cognito or other brands like that for this truck, but I just happened to find this truck already the way it was, so it was pretty tempting. It obviously is going to need just, you know, a few things to clean it up. These GM frames, the way they have this waxy material or whatever that's on the frame there, you see all this stuff that's rubbed off. It doesn't look that great. I bought some coating to put on there to cover that back over to look better, and then just it needs cleaned up. It hasn't been, you know, super cleaned in a while. Wheels are going to need polish and stuff like that, but overall it's super clean. I mean, pretty nice. It does have some wear and tear a little bit. It has a little over 20,000 miles on it, but overall it's in really nice shape. And I'm looking forward to getting started on it. The first thing I was going to do was obviously pull it in and put a set of our quad row wheel ring lights on them, because I think this truck was built when it was fairly new. I haven't got to call and talk to the owner yet, who built this truck in the first place, which it was intended to go to SEMA. I don't know if it ever did, but this is what they were putting on them, you know, back in 2020. This nice single row junky little light. If I had a hammer, I would just break these things. But anyway, they are not bright enough for me, and this truck's still not wide enough. So I'm gonna put 2-inch spacers on it. I'm gonna put those wheel ring lights on it. We have some CZ Mods rock lights on the way. So not that I dislike these that are in there, but I think they're only 3 or 4 diodes per pod. We have some coming that have 36 diodes per pod. So looking forward to getting those on our website. So feel free to check it out. Right now, what you're just gonna find on there is just some wheel ring lights and some strips for some underglow if you decide you'd like to do that to your truck. Other things I'm gonna do, the headlights haven't been touched, so I'm gonna figure out what to do here. I don't think I'll send them off and have the inside painted. I think I will probably take it to my paint guy and have this outlined, blacked out first so no light shines through, and then paint match it on the side. And then we have still the stock lighting here, which is amber. Don't really like that, so probably go get on Boost Auto Parts unless you guys recommend someone else that you like better, or that even makes the lights for these trucks that are white. And then also the cab lights up top there are also the amber color stock from GM. So I'll probably just do what I've done in the past. You can order some $25, $30 cheapo white ones that are smoked and stick up there, and it's super cheap to go that route and do it. Moving back on the truck, it also has stock tail lights, stock third brake light. I'll probably be, I don't know if we talked about this before, for the price that you can sell these OEMs for, you can go buy yourself a set of aftermarket ones and only be a couple $100s into them. So it just makes sense to do that and get something aftermarket on this truck there for me. Probably do some debadging like normal. It does not have any train horns or anything, so I'll be doing that. Possibly a tip. So beyond that, that is about our plans for now. Oh, wait a minute, one more thing. This grill on the front. This truck is built by Max Performance, and he put this big old grill on here, which is fine for him, but you can just tell it's showing some age. It only lights up in red. So we're gonna do something different there. Have not decided yet. If you guys have any cool places to get grills, or people that do custom stuff like that with lighted grills, drop something in the comments so we kind of have an idea of who we can go to for that. But it's pretty exciting to get started on a truck like this. Never really thought, well, we never thought we'd own the big red truck that we have, really. We just happened to find it. Same kind of deal with this. We didn't really expect to buy a truck built like this, but to try our hand at building it ourselves. But this truck already has the lift, it already has the wheels and tires, so we're a few steps in the right direction. Just want to do some things to kind of make it our own, and yeah, look forward to kind of showing you what we can do to this truck to make it a little bit different. As far as the window tint goes, the back's 5% it looks like, but the front's 20, so you can still see in there. I'll want the front a little darker, and I might tint the windshield as well. And then one last thing is this truck has stock audio in it. We'd like to have something done with Kyle at Custom Auto Works and see what he can do for us here. We're thinking really seeing some amazing things on what he will help us with on this. We're considering doing a blow-through box and something in the bed of this truck, something big, something crazy, speakers in the doors, because we'd like to take this truck to our shows next year. So that's kind of what we're thinking as of now, but things may change. This is just the first few days of getting used to having this vehicle. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it was like when we got it and some things that we're looking forward to do to it and taking you guys along on that trip with us. So I hope you liked the video. If you got any cool ideas for this truck, send them our way. And between now and then, the next time you see it, just keep following us along. We'll post some things as we go. And I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you later.